Hello everyone, how to solve the given cubic equation x plus x into x is equal to 36. What is the value of x? This equation is cubic equation. Therefore, it has three roots, that is x1, x2 and x3. How to find the roots of this equation? Now solution. This implies x into x into x is x cube, okay, plus x into x square is equal to 36 is 27 plus 9. Next step, x cube plus x square is equal to 27 is 3 cube plus 9 is 3 square. These two terms transfer to left side. Then it will be x cube minus 3 cube plus x square minus 3 square. Right hand side is equal to 0. Now, according to formula, x cube minus 3 cube will be x minus 3 into x square plus x into 3, that is 3x, plus 3 square, that is 9. And according to formula, this will be plus x plus 3 into x minus 3. Right hand side is equal to 0. From these two terms, x minus 3 is common. So take common x minus 3. Then this divided by this is x square plus 3x plus 9, and this divided by this is x plus 3 plus x plus 3. Right hand side is equal to 0. Implies x minus 3 into x square 3x plus x is plus 4x plus 9 plus 3 12 is equal to 0. Now, according to zero product rule, either x minus 3 is equal to 0 or x square plus 4x plus 12 is equal to 0. If we solve this equation, we get x is equal to 3. Therefore, x1 is equal to 3. One of the root of this equation is plus 3, real root. We get another roots from this equation. In this equation, x square plus 4x plus 12 is equal to 0. Implies we write this as it were x square plus 2 into x into 2. 4x is 2 into 2, 4 into x. We write 2 square. Also minus 2 square and plus 12 is equal to 0. Okay. This implies from this is a perfect square, that is x plus 2 whole square minus 2 square is 4 plus 12 is equal to 0, implies x plus 2 whole square minus 4 plus 12 is plus 8 is equal to 0, implies x plus 2 whole square is equal to plus 8 moves to right side will be minus 8. Now take square root both sides. X plus 2 whole square root of x plus 2 whole square is equal to square root of minus 8. Then these square root and square cancel. Therefore, we have x plus 2 is equal to plus or minus root over minus 8 can be written as 4 into 2 into minus 1. Implies x plus 2 is equal to plus or minus root over 4 into root over 2 into root over minus 1, or x plus 2 is equal to plus or minus root over 4 is plus 2, root over 2, root over minus 1 is iota, imaginary quantity I. Therefore, x is equal to, this plus 2 moves to right side will be minus 2 plus or minus twice root 2 I. Hence, we get two roots from this equation, that is x2 is equal to minus 2 plus 2 root 2I, and x3 is equal to minus 2 minus 2 root 2I. Therefore, our roots x is equal x1 is equal to 3. Already we have from this equation, this is a x1 is equal to 3 real roots, x2 is equal to, this is imaginary roots, 2 plus 2 root 2I, and x3 is equal to minus 2 minus 2 root 2I. And these are the answers of this equation. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment. Also subscribe my channel. Goodbye.